I'm all the way up.
It's your boy Ryan Measy, man.
You cannot stop me.
This right here is
I'm all
remarkable.
the way up.
Cling, cling.
Hey,
We just hit the jackpot, stash spot, moving that cash spot, the track hot, fur coat, looking like a Sasquatch. Always be the same from the boot to the asphalt. Hats off, rock upscale fashion, huh? 30 plus, killing competition, fly composition, crushing the opposition. Airborne, going up, flying over London. SF, blowing, grinding like a youngin'. Ryan Measy.
My head is eating, we all the way up. My game on 100, we all the way up. My squad on 100, we all the way up. My squad never frontin', we all the way up. Diamond rings, all the way up. Host let 'em in, all the way up. Black hoodies and Timbs, all the way up.
Yeah.
Ferraris with rims.
Hey guys, and welcome to another video of CB Fitness. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to do a muscle up. Now, muscle up is that skill in calisthenics that requires a lot of explosive power and muscle coordination. So to do this move, you are going to be requiring to know how to do at least 10 explosive pull-ups, single bar dips, and you need to have your legs and your arm coordination at the same time, because you need to kick up and pull your body over the bar at the same time. So let's get into it. So today with me to help out in this video, I have Karthik and Suhail. So Karthik knows how to do muscle ups, and Suhail is a beginner. He's learning how to do muscle ups. So the first thing you're going to be requiring to at least go to try to attempt a muscle up is you need to have explosive pull-ups down. So explosive pull-ups is going to require a lot of strength, and explosive pull-ups, it's not like a regular pull-up. You're not going to be pulling up till your chin. You're going to be pulling up till your chest, and your knees are going to kick up at least till your stomach or your waist level. So it's going to look something like this. So as you could see guys, you need to pull up till your chest and your knees are going to kick up at the same time. So it requires that coordination. Karthik, why don't you demonstrate one? As you could see, Karthik's form was a little more strict. This is for you guys who have sufficient strength to pull yourself to your chest without your knees. So why don't you show it how easy it is or how difficult it is? Use your legs, use your knees. It becomes easier if you use your knees to kick up, because then you feel that your body is able to pull yourself above the bar. So the next exercise that you're going to be performing to master the muscle up is the single bar dips. As you can see, the muscle up consists of two phases. One is the pull and other is the push phase. So for the push phase, you're going to be requiring to practice single bar dips. Now the single bar dips, you can find a parallel bar like we have one over there, or if you don't have a parallel bar, you can try on a low pull up bar or any bar that's like a little low, so you can jump on top. So why don't you show them? So you're going to jump on top and you're going to be doing single bar dips till your chest, till your lower chest. See, as you can see, it's coming down low, and this is going to help you transition to the top once you get at least to your chest to the bar. So if you are able to do at least 10 to 15 comfortably, you are good to go to the next exercise. So the next exercise we're going to be doing is the transitioning exercise. Now the transitioning exercise is going to help you learn how to twist your wrist and push yourself up. So it's gonna, if you can find a bar that's like this low, or even a parallel bar that's really low, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be holding the bar shoulder width distance. You're going to be stepping forward one step. Now the logic of this move is like loading your body up like a spring. So you're going to load yourself up like this, and you're going to push. As you can see, I'm using my foot to kick me up, because if you're a beginner, you won't have the strength to pull yourself up immediately, whereas you'll need your foot to kick up and go up. And going fully out is again going to help you, because the more further you go out, the better you're going to be pulled backwards. So let's demonstrate this to you guys. The transitioning. One more. Enough. Another great way that we practice all our exercises or new skills that we learn is by the negative method. Now the negative method is assuming the final form of the move and then coming back to the initial form. So for a muscle up, you're going to be on top of the bar. So like that, we're going to be on top of the bar and we're slowly going to come back to how we are going to start the move. So it's going to look something like this. Now once you're on top of the bar, I did a muscle up and came on top, but you guys can jump if you're on a lower bar, and you're going to slowly transition down. So again, slowly control the motion and transition down. So the slower you come, the better your muscle coordination is going to get. Now guys, for those of you who can't get on top of the bar easily, you could get a friend to assist you to get on top of the bar. Your friend can hold your leg. So I'll just show you in this case how we'll be doing it. A friend can hold your leg and boost you up. Now once you're on top, you're slowly going to be coming down. And again, boost you up, you're slowly going to be coming down. Now you can practice this like 10 times and rep it out and follow like 3 sets. That's more than enough. The thing is, the goal is to just practice this moves, because the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Now the last step that we're going to be following is performing this exercise with the help of a friend. Now again, but for this one, you're going to be requiring a higher bar where you can completely swing freely. Your legs shouldn't touch the ground, you should be hanging freely on this. So you have a tall bar over here. This is probably like 6 to 7 feet high. Now swing. So he's going to be demonstrating this move. He doesn't know how to do a muscle up by himself. I'm going to be assisting him. Now to assist someone with a muscle up, you're going to be holding his foot. Now to perform the muscle up easily, you need to have proper timing. Now when are you going to pull your body up is the question. So you're going to swing, maybe get 1 or 2 swings in, and once you feel you're going to be coming back from the extreme position of your swing, that's when you're going to be kicking and pulling your body up at the same time. So that's when you get the momentum to pull your body up. And a muscle up, when you're pulling it up, should always be pulled up in an S shape and not straight upwards, outwards and to your hip, outwards and to your hip. So I'm going to be showing you. Ready? So we're going to be 3, 2, 1. And there you go guys. If you have a friend or somebody to help you out, it's going to be easier. Or else if you have a resistance band, you could use a resistance band and keep practicing this out. Eventually you're going to get it, and some of you might get it, and you might do chicken wing muscle ups. Now chicken wing muscle ups is your dominant hand is going to push up first and then your other hand is going to follow. Try to avoid this as much as possible and do it in strict form. The proper form you maintain, the less damage your shoulder is going to get. So it's all about safety. Please be careful while performing these moves, because they are a little advanced moves and are a little dangerous. So you might fall down, you might injure your shoulder. So you have to avoid shoulder injury and any sorts of other sorts of injuries. Please be careful guys, and perform this along with a friend or somewhere where you have grass or some safety equipment. So take care guys. Hope this tutorial was helpful. So leave a like and tell us what are the moves you would like to learn in our future videos. Peace.